Every revolution in education starts with a question. And that question nowadays is not, how are we using technology? That question is, how is technology using us? In some ways, artificial intelligence has already changed language education in ways that we haven't seen before. But behind every decision that it makes, behind every algorithm, there lies an assumption about what learning is, an assumption about what progress looks like, assumptions about what minds and hearts we're trying to cultivate. We're told, for example, that AI can personalize learning, that it can increase efficiency and unlock human potential. But what if that increased personalization leads to isolation? And what if that increased efficiency comes at the cost of, say, empathy? And what if the systems that are designed to empower learners slowly and quietly actually shape what learners think and how they behave and what they imagine for themselves? This masterclass doesn't teach you how to use AI. It encourages you to ask questions about the why and to what end of AI and technology in language education. Across 12 short videos, I'll be exploring some of what I believe to be some of the most pressing, most urgent and important questions that our field has faced in a very long time. Questions like, what even is learning when knowledge generation is distributed between humans and computers? What exactly do we mean by personalization, and who does this personalizing? How is human agency impacted when decisions are increasingly made by machines for us? And finally, how do we keep teaching human when algorithms increasingly start teaching as well? We will move across these 12 sessions from hybridity, or the idea, the concept of collaboration between humans and technology, to heutagogy, or the art and craft of self-determined learning, and finally to humanization, or the struggle to ensure that technology serves people's needs and not the other way around. I don't believe that AI is the end of human teaching, but it does offer a really compelling invitation to redefine what we mean by teaching. In order to build what I call hybrid autonomy, where learners and teachers collaborate with technology without surrendering to it, we need to be able to ask the deep and critical questions. And it is my aim in this masterclass to challenge you to do exactly that. I will question some of the stories that we've been told about progress, about innovation, and about the future of learning. And I will give you the language and the frameworks, and also, I hope, some of the courage to lead that future in a critical and a creative and, perhaps most importantly, a humanely way. AI is already changing education. There is no doubt about it. The question is, will we shape that change, or will we be shaped by it? I hope you can join us for this masterclass on AI in language education. Oh, and if you're lucky, you might see my teaching assistant, my little corgi Jumper. He is actually in charge of teacher well-being throughout this course. I hope to see you in the masterclass.